Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to get great deals during these hard economic times. And this is a picture right now that I'm showing you of our old grill, which is our charbroil gas to coal. So it does both the propane tank and it does charcoal, so you can switch and teeter between two of them. And then we also got, for a great deal, which is really what this video is about, is how you can find great deals during these hard times by just going to the store, looking on their app, and in our case, we went to Walmart. So, I needed a new grill cover. You go into the clearance section right now. This normally retails between $20, $25 because it's an end of year, end of season special. Got this up to $15. Just make sure that when they're tagging it that you also go to the Walmart app, which is where we got this one.
Take a picture of that.
Take a picture of it, exactly. I took a picture of the shelving, the tags, and this is a really great grill cover. It's made of really good material and it's going to protect it for the winter. The other one was shot. It actually, what kind of material do you think the other one was?
I don't know, I'm sure. Some kind of plastic or something.
Some kind of plastic, which then when it went over the sides, it ended up ripping. And then I'm going to show you, we're doing So we're doing our patio back here. That'll be for a later video. Dug out all of the grass, about maybe 4 inches of dirt. Did a garden this year. That was pretty cool. The last of our harvest. Oh, you know you have a pepper there. I saw.
Yeah, I saw it.
You saw it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, and it's a sweet pepper. And then we've just been like eating the tomatoes as they've been coming out. It's like the last of the harvest this year. Okay, so this is the real big one. This is the Blackstone 28-inch griddle air fryer combo. Oh, I think they give you the two little things too. I wonder, do they give you these? Well, look, maybe.
Yeah, they could. Yeah, I think it does.
They have
All
them.
right, I need extra anyway.
So the toolbar is magnetic.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, and then you have side shelf hooks. It's an air fryer drawer, a warming drawer, and 4-quart drawers. We've been eyeing this. I know my husband's been eyeing this for like a year and a half, almost 2 years, right?
About a year and a half.
About a year and a half.
No, since they came out with this one.
Normally, it retails for, let's check it out. This is the clearance price. So this is the first clearance price. The original price of it was what? $500? The original price of it was $500. Then it went down to clearance at $397. We ended up getting it for $250. It's got folding shelves, side shelf hooks. Whoa. Yeah, I see.
Yeah, that one.
Wow. Yeah, you do, huh?
Well, maybe not. Yeah, look, I don't know, it may not be a lot of work.
What I did was also compared the app, the Walmart app. So you scan the price of the box on the app, it tells you. And I've gotten a lot of good deals from clothes to, what else did we get on that app? Lawn care stuff that I got. I think it was, trying to think. It's like totally drawing a blank right now. But
See, it has a warmer right here, see it?
mm-hmm.
So other people on YouTube video, the deep fried, the air fryer is like awesome. This makes like the perfect breakfast. And it's we just found out these are more healthier.
Right, found out that it was more healthier than actually having flame grilled, because if you look online with flame grilled, it can release certain cancers in cancerous meats that you would not know were there, obviously, because it's meat. and it releases cancer in some of the meat. So you have to be really careful about flame broiling your food, which makes me wonder about like Burger King now, and the fact that we were using the grill with the flame. We were using mostly the propane. Now we switched this one over to charcoal, and we're going to use this one. So this will be our primary. Oh, it's really cool. Oh, that's cool. It's a lot of parts to this to kind of just put it down.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and then they keep everything packaged in, so then you have to like cut this open too.
I guess so.
And the guys at Walmart were so helpful. They helped us pack it in.
Butterfly.
Oh my God! Wow. Is it alive?
No.
Oh.
Oh, it's pretty.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Really pretty looking.
Oh.
It's not alive, huh?
No, he didn't make it. He's in the box.
That's weird.
That is weird. Oh. It's another piece here. Then these are the bars.
Yeah, I think these are the ways here. The rest is just a unit now. That's cool.
Right, it says low 300 to 375, medium 375 to 425, and high 425 to 475.
Yeah, they said never put it on high when you're cooking because you'll warp the, it gets so hot you'll warp the,
Brittle?
no, you'll warp the Blackstone.
Okay.
It cooks so quick and fast. You'll never use high. You just use high when you season the Blackstone. You got to season it before you do use it. It's another video for that.
All right, step 2 will be putting this together.